Shanice, aka China Irie, and I'm back with another video. This is going to be a large boho knotless braid tutorial. I just made it to the salon, and yeah, I'm gonna hurry up and get in there. Alright, so the first few clips are going to be vertical because I forgot to start recording before blow drying. But this is what my client's hair looks like. She's a type 3 natural and her hair is pretty short. So we're just going to go ahead and get into the shampoo process. If you've watched my other videos, you know my typical shampoo process involves 2 shampoos, one clarifying, one hydrating. And just a little bit about my client, she used to wear her hair straight all the time and recently big chopped last year. So this is what her hair looks grown out after a big chop. She didn't go bald, but just cut it really short. And so yeah, she's trying out new styles, and for this event she's going to, she wanted to do the large boho knotless. And before putting the hair away in a protective style, I always like to do a steam hydration treatment. Just make sure that the hair is really moisturized and ready to go. This is her hair after being freshly shampooed and conditioned with no product in it. And this is her hair blow dried. So we're going to go ahead and even up her haircut, really give her a nice shape since her hair is grown out. So with my haircuts, I like to start off by setting the guide, which is the perimeter or the baseline. And then I go in and continue to set the hair to the guide until I reach hair that is too short or too damaged to reach down to the perimeter line. So now I'm cutting the interior of her hair and basically creating the shape for her curly look. And so what I'm doing is I'm parting vertical subsections and I'm going in and lifting them to certain angles. I'm really kind of trying to follow the round of her head, but in the bottom I kind of created a graduation. And these techniques I learned in cosmetology school and in the full service salon that I worked in. So if you want any videos about working in different types of salons or attending cosmetology school, let me know. I have lots of videos for y'all. Now that I have fully prepped her natural hair, it is time to get into the braiding. So normally I like to pre-section the whole head of hair, but because we're doing large, like pretty large braids, I decided I'm just gonna part row by row. So you see me starting my first braid, and if you want a tutorial on how exactly I add in the hair, make sure you click the info card to the top right, and I will link to my other knotless braid tutorial. But yes, here I am. I'm just going in, adding the hair, and then adding in the synthetic curly pieces. And we use synthetic just because they didn't want to pay for like human, and you can still rock a nice cute look with synthetic, and you'll see that with this look right here.
Just sit back, relax and breathe, 'cause life won't pass me
All right, most of her hair is done. We are at the top, okay? And I definitely delivered because she wanted heavy on the curls, all right? Like, look at that. Heck of curls. So, yeah, it's gonna be a super cute look. Keep watching to see. So here you're gonna see in more real time how the process went. So I just start off by applying the braiding product, and right now I'm using the lock-in extra hold. I feel like it works pretty well. It washes out of the client's hair easily, and it doesn't normally turn white even with all of the leave-in products that I use. So yeah, if you haven't seen me say it before, lock in is that girl for me, okay? And then I just go in with my unbrush and brush it through, and then I'm gonna actually section for the braids that I'm doing. So I have seen a lot of people on social media talking about stylists putting the product on the part. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think about it. I personally, as you can see, I put it there to help me clean up my part, but then I smooth all the excess product off of the skin and onto the section of hair. So, I mean, it's all about technique, honestly. But yeah, drop a comment. If you're a hairstylist, tell me what you do. If you're a client, tell me what you prefer. Now, I know y'all don't think I was about to leave them braids straight. I mean, some people like that look, but it's not me. So, in order to try and add some texture to the braids, as you can see, I basically took a few of them, plaited them together. Like, I separated the curly hair and had my client hold it. And then I'm just plaiting the braids together and rolling them on a perm rod so that when I dip them in hot water, they'll have a little bit of, wave going to them so they don't stick out like a sore thumb from the actual curly hair. Time to finish up this look. So I used my portable hot water boiler to dip the braids in the boiling hot water, and I made sure I squeezed them well enough so they wouldn't drip on her. And then I'm gonna go in and set the curls. They are synthetic like I mentioned earlier, so you want to make sure you put stuff in there to kind of keep them together. So I used my Design Essentials setting lotion and also foam as well to set it. Now that her hair has been dipped and the curly hair has been set, I'm going to go ahead and trim the ends up. She didn't want to be sitting on the hair, like she wanted it long, but she didn't want it so long that she was sitting on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and shape it up. And I think this is really important to really just finish off your hairstyle. So watch me go in, trim it, and make sure it's even.
All by myself, yeah, I was doing fine. From across the room, I could feel your energy.
I am finished. Well, now I am finished with the cut, and I'm having my client check it, and she loves it. I love it. So here's the final result. Make sure you like this video if you like this style, and drop a comment. Let me know if you've ever done these large synthetic hair boho knotless, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.